This is how it starts off. Simple ingredients, on sale. Wait till I show you how it ends up. Deliciousness with Cooking Couture Atlanta, where cooking is sexy. Hey, this is Deliciousness with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Hey, honey, I'm about to make my weekly pot of greens. I'm making VIP collard greens this week. That means that I'm putting Brussels sprouts in this. I don't know why that's my favorite bag, but I like it. Since 1970, Baker's Farm. I like these greens. I'll put those greens. I just want you to see how easy this is. And then the Brussels sprouts was on sale, which meant they need to be used quickly. I just got them a few hours ago. So this is how that was easier in my mind. Okay, I thought I could just use my kitchen shears and cut it, but I couldn't. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting the stems off, and then I'm cutting the Brussels sprouts in half, throwing them in here with my collard greens. So they're gonna get all of the seasoning that the greens get. Oh, I'm excited about it. So I'm gonna put this whole bag of Brussels sprouts in here. And then I'm gonna put some smoked turkey necks. And I think I'm gonna put them last. I'm gonna put the Rotel in. Nope, after this, I'm gonna put the chicken broth in. Then I'm gonna put the Rotel in. Then I'm gonna put the Slap Your Mama seasoning. Nope, not in that order. I'm gonna put all the liquids in. Then I'm gonna put the Slap Your Mama. I'm gonna put those peppers in there. Yeah, that's just how I'm going. All right, now we're going to put all of the ingredients in there. That's all that really matters. Just get all of them good ingredients in that pressure cooker and apply pressure. Whenever you apply that pressure, baby, that's when it all comes together. These are going to be absolutely fantastically delicious. My secret weapon recipe secret step is to just let them sit afterwards. I mix it up, let them sit for hours. Let that turkey just fall off the bones and let that stuff get in there and marinate. It's going to be so freaking delicious. You're going to love me for this. Keep you a pot of greens on, honey. Keep a pot of greens on. Thank you. Now, let's make it happen.